try something, yeah, and I just want to see how I can master it, this process of live streaming. So first go to live streaming. That's my YouTube studio loading. Then while that is loading, I'll go to Canva and design my thumbnail for the live stream. So there you go. I'm in Canva now. That's what I do to make it look like a new live stream. Living in England. I'm going to be streaming some of my vlogs, right? So I'm just going to change the, I'm not putting my, right. So that done, I'm just going to click share and download. If you can see, lighting is not great. I'm doing just one page. So that's page 1. I'm going to say download and that's it. So go back to YouTube studio. Now what I'm going to do is try to schedule the live stream. Let's go back again. Let's go to the YouTube studio, yeah, and then say create, like create, and then say go live. And when you say go live, then I'm going to schedule stream, and you can copy and reuse info from a recently completed stream or create a new stream with new settings. So live in England streamed, and I'm going to create a new one so I don't confuse myself. And so I'm going to say living in England vlogs. So I've put it on a tripod. So it's living in England underscore vlogs is what I'm going to call it. No description needed. All I'm going to do is podcast is going to be through streaming software. People and blogs is the title, but I think I want to change it to how to and style. And then this is the last thing I will do before I go to bed. And the thumbnail, I'll go back. So I'm just gonna select that and open it. So that's it. I'm gonna select the time. Playlist will be public. Then I'm gonna schedule it. How to style live streams. It's showing up as public, so it's going to be tomorrow. No, but I'm going to change it to 24th, which is tomorrow, and 9 a.m., which is when I usually upload my videos. But today I don't have a video to upload, so I want to use my live stream to cover up. Hopefully I'll have a video by tomorrow morning, even though this is 9:30. I want to come and work on a video at night. So done. So I've scheduled it, and the plan is for this now, can you see? It's now showing as public, scheduled for October 24th, 9 a.m. and stream key, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go to Windows and get my OBS. I'm going to get the OBS, right? So I'm going to create a new stream in OBS. So I've never scheduled a stream in OBS. Remind me later. I've never scheduled a stream in OBS before, and this is going to be, let's try add this new vlog. I'm going to call it the same name I called my live stream, living in England underscore vlogs. Then, and okay, it's going to take me to my folders where I will upload the files I want to. So I'll navigate to the folder where I have my videos which I want to use, and I'm just going to shift select all of them. So scroll down, shift select and open. So I'm just going to add my thumbnail so that when it's time in the morning, because I have to work in the morning, I just come here and click start streaming and see what happens. Because if you schedule the stream, then everything should be right? But I don't mind my messy desk, and I've just clicked start streaming. So I want to go to YouTube Studio and see what is happening. Cursor. So this is YouTube Studio. Like, I'm just going to refresh just so that 9 o'clock you're supposed to go live, right? 9 o'clock you are supposed to be live, and it says live. It says live here. So let's go in. And I'm not, oh dear. Okay, so 9 a.m. I'm live, and I usually upload my videos at 9 a.m. but I want to check with another channel of mine. So that's it, we're live. All right, that is me watching my own channel. And we're live. So that's one thing I have done right. I've learned something. I've learned something new today. Schedule your live streams and go live at the time. Just click start streaming in your click start streaming on your app when it's time for you to go live, as based on the schedule that you already made, the schedule stream that you already made. So I think that would be my MO going forward. Go live and from a scheduled stream. So because I've been having a lot of challenges with OBS in the past, and live streaming is one of the ways that you can build your content to get your 4,000 watch hours. So that's what I'm trying to do, get monetized. So guys, like this video, share it and subscribe. This is not my usual content, but I'm just sharing stuff I'm learning, so why not? Catch you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if this video has been of any help to you whatsoever. Bye.